Hello everyone! Welcome back to Tips Food 365. Have you ever wanted to make a perfect poached egg at home? Smooth whites, a soft yolk that breaks beautifully, like the ones you see in good restaurants? If you've tried before, you probably know the frustration. Broken yolks, egg whites spreading everywhere, foam in the pot, or eggs sticking to the bottom. It can be annoying, especially when you've tried more than once and still failed. Don't worry, in this video, I'm sharing 3 very simple and reliable ways to make poached eggs at home. These methods are easy to follow, even if you're cooking for the first time. Start with fresh eggs. Fresh eggs make a big difference. You can check them in 2 simple ways. First, feel the shell. Fresh eggs usually have a slightly rough surface with a light white coating. That's a natural protective layer. Second, shake the egg gently. A fresh egg won't make any sound. Older eggs will feel loose and may rattle inside. Before cooking, wash the eggs well. Eggshells can carry dirt or bacteria, so this step matters. I like to soak the eggs in salt water first. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to a bowl of clean water. Stir until dissolved, then gently place the eggs in. Let them soak for about 5 minutes. This helps clean the shells better and reduces bacteria. After soaking, wipe each egg with a paper towel. You'll notice that any dirt comes off very easily. Rinse once more with clean water, then let the eggs dry. Now they're ready to cook. Method 1. Poaching with a ladle. Bring a pot of water to a boil. While waiting, prepare a ladle. Add about 1/3 of a teaspoon of cooking oil and spread it around the inside. Crack the egg into the ladle instead of directly into the water. This is important. If you drop the egg straight into boiling water, the whites spread out, create foam, and may stick to the pot. Hold the ladle just above the boiling water so the heat gently sets the egg. Be careful not to let water spill into the ladle. After the egg starts to firm up, slowly lower it into the pot. Because the egg is already shaped, it will stay round and won't break apart. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, then lift it out. The result is a clean, round poached egg with the whites fully wrapped around the yolk. It's soft, delicate, and perfect for breakfast with porridge or noodles. Method 2. Steaming. Great for beginners. This method is very beginner-friendly. Prepare 2 small bowls and add enough water to each bowl so the egg can float slightly. Crack 1 egg into each bowl. The water helps the egg cook evenly and prevents it from sticking to the bowl. Bring water to a boil in a steamer. Place the bowls inside. Cover with a lid and steam over medium heat. Steam for 6 to 8 minutes, depending on how you like your yolk. 6 minutes gives a soft yolk. After steaming, turn off the heat but wait about 30 seconds before opening the lid. This helps prevent sudden temperature changes that can cause the eggs to shrink or break. Carefully remove the bowls, pour off the water, and gently scoop the eggs onto a plate. These eggs keep a smooth surface, a round shape, and a soft texture. They look good and are easy to serve. All 3 methods, ladle poaching, steaming, and microwave, help you control heat and time. That's the key to getting smooth whites and yolks that are cooked just right. The eggs won't be dry, rubbery, or smell fishy. They stay tender and naturally sweet. These are simple, practical tips you can use every day. I hope you try them and see what works best for you. If you do, feel free to leave a comment and share your experience. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss more easy kitchen tips.